Number 6. Deny charges. It means to state that accusations are not true.
The accused man denied all charges in court. The accused man denied all charges in court. She denied the charges of theft. She denied the charges of theft. He firmly denied the charges against him. He firmly denied the charges against him.
Number 7. Deny a rumor. It means to state that a rumor is not true.
The celebrity denied the rumors about her. The celebrity denied the rumors about her. Management quickly denied the rumors of bankruptcy. Management quickly denied the rumors of bankruptcy. They denied the rumors of their breakup. They denied the rumors of their breakup.
Number 8. Strongly deny. It means to deny something with a lot of force and clarity.
The politician strongly denied the allegations. The politician strongly denied the allegations. He strongly denied any involvement in the scandal. He strongly denied any involvement in the scandal. She strongly denied the accusations in a statement. She strongly denied the accusations in a statement.
Number 9. Deserve to win. It means to merit victory due to effort or quality.
They played well and deserved to win. They played well and deserved to win. After all her hard work, she deserves to win. After all her hard work, she deserves to win. The team deserves to win the championship. The team deserves to win the championship.
Number 10. Destroy building. It means to demolish or ruin a structure completely.
The fire destroyed the building last night. The fire destroyed the building last night. War can destroy buildings and homes. War can destroy buildings and homes. The earthquake destroyed many buildings downtown. The earthquake destroyed many buildings downtown.